Hello everyone, my name is Marvel Joel Sihaan. Today, I want to tell you the story about the great French leader named Napoleon Bonaparte. So today, I want to speak about Napoleon biography, the Napoleon lives, and how Napoleon to become the great French emperor. See you! Napoleon Bonaparte was born at Ajaccio at 15 August 1796. Ajaccio on the island of Corsica. At that time, Corsica just had become part of France. So Napoleon grow up and influenced Napoleon identity with the both Corsican and France. He came from minor noble family, and although their family wasn't wealthy, his family was respect. Napoleon showed intelligence, discipline, and strong personality from child. At age 9, he came to France to learn about military and go at the military school at France. But he excelled the mathematics and military strategy at the school. Napoleon became an artillery officer in the French army. His career advanced rapidly during the French Revolution, which created opportunities for talented individuals regardless of their social class. He gained national attention during the siege of Toulon at 1793, where his strategies helped defeat the royalist force. Later, he successfully suppressed the rebellion in Paris, so he get the promotion and recognition from his boss. Napoleon's victories in Italy made him as a national hero of France. He defeated much longer armies using speed, surprise, and clever tactics. His fame grew even more after his Egyptian campaign, although it had mixed results. In 1799, Napoleon took advantage of political instability in France. He carried out of a coup known as the Coup of 18 Brumaire, overthrowing the government. He became the first consul of France, effectively the leader of France at that time. In 1804, Napoleon crowned himself as Emperor of France, showing that his power came from himself, rather than the church or the monarchy. One of his greatest achievements was the Napoleonic Code. The legal system guaranteed the equality before the law, protect property rights, and influenced many modern legal systems around the world. He also improved education, reformed the economy, and strengthened the government. Under his rule, France became one of the most powerful nations in Europe at that time. During his rule, Napoleon led a series of wars known as Napoleonic Wars. He built a vast empire across the Europe and defeated many powerful countries. However, his ambition led to the major challenges. His invasion in Russia at 1912 was disastrous. The Russian army used the scorched earth strategy, and the harsh winter destroyed much of Napoleon's army. This defeat weakened his power and encouraged many countries in Europe to unite, defeat, and against him. Next, Napoleon downfall and exile. In 1814, after the several defeats, Napoleon was forced to abdicate. He was exiled to the island of Elba. Surprisingly, he escaped in 1915 and returned to France. This period is known as the 100 Days, during which he regained and controlled the attempt to rebuild his French empire. After his return to France, Napoleon returned ended with his defeat at Battle of Waterloo. After this, he was exiled again, this time to St. Helena Island, a remote island far from Europe. He spent the rest of his life and died on 5 May 1821. After his return to France, Napoleon returned ended with his defeat at Battle of Waterloo. After this, he was exiled again, this time to St. Helena Island, a remote island far from Europe. He spent the rest of his life and died on 5 May 1821. After his death, Napoleon remains one of the most influential figures in history. He is remembered as the genius general, as a brilliant military leader and reformer, but also as a ruler whose ambition led to many wars. His legal reforms, especially the Napoleonic Code, still influence modern law until today. His life continues to be studied an example for leadership, ambition, and the rise and a fall of the power. So that's all the story about Napoleon Bonaparte's life, about his childhood, about his during his law at France as the emperor, and about his legacy. So thank you for all my friends that watching this video. I hope we can meet again in other video. See you.